The centre has moved the Supreme Court seeking a stay on Uttarakhand High Court order quashing President's rule. Meanwhile, 9 rebel Congress MLAs have also approached the Apex Court against barring them from participating in the floor test. In Arunachal Pradesh, 16 people have died in a landslide in Tawang area. Several people are feared buried under the debris and rescue operations are underway. India will sign the Paris Agreement on climate change in New York today at a high-level ceremony convened by UN Secretary-General Ban Ki-moon. The agreement, which was adopted by more than 190 countries in Paris, will be signed by Environment Minister Prakash Javadekar. World Earth Day is being observed today. Prime Minister Narendra Modi in his message has called for working together for sustainable development and a pollution-free planet. India becomes the top destination for foreign direct investments in the year 2015. Outclasses China in attracting FDI projects worth $63 billion. India creates world's highest number of job opportunities to the tune of 2.25 lakh through FDI and Make in India campaigns. Several states continue to reel under intense heatwave conditions. The toll crosses the 100 mark in worst-hit states of Telangana and Andhra Pradesh. The Met Department says the heatwave will continue in central and eastern India for the next 3 days. Election Commission has issued notification for assembly elections in Tamil Nadu, Kerala and Puducherry. Elections in these 3 states will be held in a single phase on the 16th of May. Also issues notification for by-polls to Tura Lok Sabha constituency in Meghalaya. RBI Governor Raghuram Rajan, tennis star Sania Mirza, actress Priyanka Chopra, Google CEO Sundar Pichai and founders of Flipkart, Binny Bansal and Sachin Bansal have been named by Time magazine in its list of the 100 most influential people in the world. Simast Kumbh Mahaparv Mela begins today in the ancient temple town of Ujjain. Lakhs of devotees take Shahi Snan to mark the beginning of the month-long spiritual congregation. US President Barack Obama has made an appeal to Britain to remain in the European Union, says the union membership had magnified Britain's place in the world. Mumbai Cricket Association and Maharashtra Cricket Association has filed joint special leave petitions in the Supreme Court to allow IPL matches to be held according to the original schedule in Maharashtra. Ace Indian shuttlers HS Pranoy and PV Sindhu to play their quarter-final matches today in the China Masters Grand Prix Gold badminton tournament. Jwala Gutta and Ashwini Ponnappa also make it into the last 8 in the women's doubles. BCCI is all set to host its first ever day-night cricket test with pink ball when New Zealand tour India later this year. The board says before the match, Dulip Trophy will be played in the same format as dress rehearsal for the day-night match. Mahatma Gandhi's granddaughter Tara Gandhi Bhattacharjee has been conferred with the Order of Arts and Letters, one of France's top honours. Pop music superstar Prince Rogers Nelson, popularly known as Prince, died at the age of 57. He was found dead at his home in Minneapolis.